How to fix CapCut not working. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the CapCut not working. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of CapCut application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. To verify that, you can go to Play Store, click on the search bar in the bottom right, and then search for CapCut. Once you find the application, tap on it. And if you see an update button that is highlighted in blue color instead of open right over here, tap on it to update it to its latest version. After that, open your system settings, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, simply search for CapCut application. Once you find it, scroll down and go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. But clearing the data also includes all the file settings, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding this. Come back and try force stopping this application and re-enable it. Moreover, you can also try uninstalling this application completely from your device and then reinstall it using the Play Store. So that's how you can fix the CapCut not working issue. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.